Hi, Dennis.
Hi.
We're about to go where?
Hiking.
And do what? What else?
Fishing.
Fishing.
And now look at this jet fighter.
Oh,
It's like
that's the
security.
fighter.
Because we're camping.
Because we're camping here. Oh my God! Isn't it so much fun?
I read the sign back there, and the last word it said was wildlife animals might be spotted. So, yeah.
Are we looking for wild animals?
Maybe.
Okay. Which animals did we see so far here?
Lizard.
Squirrels and bunnies.
Yeah. Oh boy.
And the last time we were here, we saw
An alligator.
armadillo.
Oh, armadillo! Oh, I remember that. Hi guys, this is how we're to do makeup and sun, and I'm gonna be dancing. And I'm doing like sometimes. I'm gonna do my favorite dance. Another animal. We found some lizards over. We found 3 lizards over there, and we found a woodpecker, but we don't see it. I heard the pecking of it.
Okay.
Also, we found some cactus. Yeah.
Bamboo. Old settlement, the Koreshan State Park.
Okay.
There are many houses where people lived. They're all museums now. Alexi calls this one Granny's house.
Because it looks like a video game character.
Yeah. And basically anybody you see here now is doing photo shoots everywhere. Like that guy over there. There are people downstairs over there. There's another maternity photo shoot over there on a bridge. And there were people with kids doing photo shoot that way. Everybody's doing photo shoot.
I wish we could do. I wish we could slap some photos with
we are doing video shoot.